So I'm standing here at Garden Gallery Ironworks, and I'm with Don Sprague. And Don, today is your Christmas open house, and so we wanted to talk about some of the things that are happening. One of the things is Dean Krauser is coming back.
Yes, you know, our last event with Dean was so successful. Dean said, let's do it again. And we've had a lot of people who said, gee, if you ever do this again, please let us know. And fortunately, we're going to do it again.
Wonderful.
So he's coming back, and you know, and on top of that, Dean has introduced some new greeting cards. So the little greeting cards, you know, there's different pictures of his paintings on it, and he's going to introduce 15 new cards at our open house this year.
Wow. So that is wonderful. That's a reason right there to come out. But we're going to take a walk to another location and talk about all of the great things that are happening just for the Christmas open house too. All right?
Yeah.
Come on over.
Okay.
So on our walk over to this location, we had discussed that we had both forgot to talk about something that you're getting really super special from Dean that you're going to be having here.
Yeah, Dean has offered to give one of his original paintings for a door prize. So whenever you come to the open house, you can sign up for that free drawing on a door prize, an original piece of Dean Krauser's artwork.
Wow, that's just another wonderful reason to come to this event today. So let's talk, though, about some actual holiday stuff that we have loved since last year we first saw it, snowmen and Christmas trees that are lit up.
Yeah, these are backed by popular demand, let me tell you. We sold a lot of snowmen last year with the lights on them, and they're all ready to go in your yard. They're approved for outdoors.
Wow.
We've got there's 3 snowmen, and then on the trees there'll be 3 sets. There's 3 of those in a set.
And a set, too.
And also, we've got the living wreaths back by...
I was going to say, you guys are going to have those again, right?
Yes, and you know, and they're fresh made in Oregon, and so they're just a great thing, a great gift to send.
And then I noticed while wandering around in here that you have, because I've heard so many people talk about these, you have old kind of Christmas type churches that are lit up as well, right?
Oh, we got a great selection of those in the farmhouse room, and they're all lit up and they're just beautiful.
So then let's talk about some of the other things that are actually occurring today, because you're going to have some food and you're going to have that wonderful special drink that you guys have every year.
The cocktail is backed by popular demand.
Right.
And you know, it's going to be another great one for the holidays.
But you know, everybody that comes out here today gets a gift, don't they?
Oh yes, everybody gets 25% off your total purchase, and everybody gets the first 50 people, I believe, Dorothy's going to be at the door greeting you with a free gift for the first 50 people. So come early, because we're opening early at 9 o'clock.
And that's 25% off even the Dean Krauser stuff.
Absolutely.
Wonderful,
your
amazing.
Entire purchase.
Wonderful, wonderful. Well, you know, all you have to do for the information on everything that's going on, go to gardentime.tv. We'll click you over, come out, and have a wonderful Christmas open house. Thank you so much, my friend. I certainly appreciate it.
Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas.
You too.